I spent $500 on AI tools. Here's what was actually worth it. Everyone online seems to have the same message. This AI tool will change your life. Every week there's a new app promising to make you faster, smarter, and more productive. So I decided to stop watching reviews and actually test them myself. Over the past few months, I spent more than $500 on AI tools across writing, research, image generation, coding, video editing, meetings, and automation. Some of them genuinely saved hours every week. Others looked impressive in ads, but became expensive subscriptions I barely opened after the first few days. It was realizing that most people buy AI tools for problems they don't actually have. Take writing, for example. The first premium tool I subscribed to promised perfect blogs, emails, marketing copy, and social media posts. The outputs were fast, but after the excitement wore off, I noticed something important. It wasn't replacing my thinking, but asking it to create an entire strategy from scratch usually resulted in generic content that still needed editing. That pattern repeated across almost every category. Then came image generation. I tried multiple AI image tools, expecting Hollywood-quality visuals. What I actually discovered was that the tool mattered less than the prompt. Video tools were another interesting category. AI can remove background noise, generate captions, translate videos, clone voices, and even create rough edits automatically. These features sound incredible, and they are, but they're rarely perfect. Instead of replacing editing, they removed repetitive tasks that used to consume hours. That meant I could spend more time on storytelling, pacing, and creative decisions. The things viewers actually notice. Research tools were probably the most underrated purchase. Instead of opening 20 browser tabs, AI could summarize reports, compare articles, extract key points, and organize information within minutes. Then there were automation tools. These were easily some of the highest value purchases. Connecting email, calendars, spreadsheets, and project management apps allowed repetitive work to happen automatically. Just hours quietly saved every week. Ironically, these boring tools delivered a bigger return than many of the exciting AI products everyone talks about. But not every purchase was worth it. Several tools promised to be all-in-one AI assistants. They could write, edit, research, design, summarize, and automate everything from a single dashboard. The reality? Most of them did many things reasonably well, but nothing exceptionally well. After a month, I always went back to the specialized tools that excelled at one specific job. That taught me another expensive lesson. More features don't automatically create more value. The best AI tool is usually the one that fits naturally into your existing workflow. Another mistake I made was paying for too many subscriptions at the same time. When you're testing 5 writing tools, 3 image generators, 2 meeting assistants, and multiple automation platforms, you don't actually learn which one is helping. You just create subscription fatigue. Eventually, I canceled most of them and kept only the ones I was using every single week. That simple decision reduced costs while improving productivity. So after spending more than $500, was it worth it? Yes. But probably not for the reason you'd expect. The biggest value wasn't finding the perfect AI tool. It was learning which parts of my work should stay human and which parts should be delegated to AI. The creative thinking stayed with me. If you're planning to spend money on AI, don't ask which tool is the smartest. Ask a better question. Which repetitive task costs me the most time every week? Find a tool that solves that single problem exceptionally well. Master it. Then move on to the next bottleneck, because AI isn't about collecting subscriptions. It's about building a workflow where every tool earns its place. And once you start thinking that way, you'll probably spend less on AI and get far more value from every dollar you invest.